In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your taskbar transparent in Windows 11 in just 5 minutes. It's a simple way to refresh your desktop's appearance, giving it a sleek, modern touch that can make your computer feel brand new without having to navigate through complicated settings. Let's dive into the steps and get started with making your taskbar transparent. Begin by heading over to the search bar on your taskbar. It's typically found at the bottom of your screen. Here, you're going to type in Store to locate and open the Microsoft Store app. This is the place where you'll find the app to make your taskbar transparent. Once you've opened the Microsoft Store, it's time to use its search function to look for an app called TranslucentTB. This application is crucial for our task today, as it allows us to easily manipulate the taskbar's appearance without requiring complex technical knowledge. In the search bar within the Microsoft Store, type TranslucentTB and press Enter. When you find the TranslucentTB app in the search results, click on it. You'll notice that it's free to install, which is a bonus for those looking to enhance their desktop without spending any money. Simply hit the Install button and wait for the app to download and install on your computer. Once the installation is complete, you'll want to locate TranslucentTB's icon, which will appear in your system tray. The system tray is the collection of icons usually found on the bottom right corner of your screen, near the clock. If you don't see it right away, click on the little arrow to reveal more icons. After locating the icon, click on it to open the TranslucentTB options. Now, it's time to select the level of transparency you want for your taskbar. The app provides several options, but if you're aiming for full transparency, you'll want to select the Clear option. This setting makes your taskbar entirely transparent, allowing your wallpaper to shine through unobstructed. Completing this step should instantly change the appearance of your taskbar on your desktop. If you ever decide to revert back to the solid taskbar or explore other transparency levels, you can easily adjust your preferences within the TranslucentTB app. And that's it! You've successfully transformed your Windows 11 taskbar into a transparent one, giving your desktop a fresh, clean look. Don't forget to explore other settings in the app for more customization options that suit your personal style. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial, and that you're now loving the new look of your computer. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.